Hi folks, welcome to my channel, The Average Dermadoc. Let's begin the show.
Skin in neonates and infants. Before 1 month of period, they are called neonates. Before 1 year, they are called infants. Neonatal skin is fully developed, similar to that of adult skin, but thickness is only about 40 to 60% of adult skin. There will be more transepidermal water loss and hydration for few days, mostly for 1 week. Thermoregulatory mechanisms are functionally active but can get easily exhausted. That's why they are more prone to hypo and hyperthermia. Sweating will be present at birth. Sebum secretion is similar to that of adults in first week and then gradually decreases as the effect of maternal hormones resolves. Skin surface pH is higher in first week, then reduces to that of adult pH. After 1 week, acidification process will start and pH will come automatically to adult pH. Cutaneous vasculature takes 3 to 5 months to develop. Until then, it will have an unorganized capillary network, absent capillary loops, except in nail beds, palms, and soles, where capillary loops are well formed. Coming to microbiota, Micrococcus species is most common than in adult skin. Umbilicus and nose will be colonized by Staph aureus or Streptococcus pyogenes. Lanigo hair, we all know, unpigmented, soft, fine, short hair will be present at birth and in fetuses, and 30% in neonatal period also. Nails will be flat over fingers, triangular over toes, and lunula will be absent. Coming to physiological changes in neonates. These changes will resolve on its own, no need of any treatment. First one, vernix caseosa, whitish greasy film over skin surface, which will dry rapidly and starts to flake off within few hours after birth. So it is very short-lived. Next, cutis marmorata, marbling of skin, which is a physiological response to cold and may disappear on rewarming. What is marbling? It is reticulate blue vascular pattern of skin. Miniature puberty, pubertal changes under the influence of placental and maternal hormones like enlarged clitoris, enlarged genitalia, and enlarged mammary glands all will develop, which will disappear within 2 to 4 weeks when the effect of hormones reduces. This enlarged mammary glands may secrete milk that is called as witch's milk on day 2 to day 3. These pubertal changes are occurring in a baby. That's why it is called miniature puberty. Peripheral cyanosis. Cyanosis means bluish discoloration of skin occurring in peripheries like palms, soles, and around mouth. That's why it is called acrocyanosis. Seen in a normal full-term newborn during the first 48 hours. If it is present more than 48 hours or associated with central cyanosis also, then it is a problem. Physiological scaling. Superficial desquamation is seen in 75% of normal neonates, mostly over around the ankles, hands, and feet. Sucking blisters on lips, fingers, forearms are seen at birth due to vigorous sucking in utero. Sebaceous gland hypertrophy, same reason, because of maternal androgens. Under the influence of maternal androgens, there will be hyperplasia, which appears as multiple uniform yellowish pinpoint papules, mainly over upper lips, nose, cheeks, and forehead. 40% of the cases are associated with milia, nothing but white small globular papules. These yellowish papules, white papules are normal physiological changes, subsides within a week without any treatment. Hair shedding in infancy occurs in 2 waves of hair loss and regrowth from front to back. And then finally, a typical normal mosaic pattern develops by 1 year. Harlequin color change seen in 15% during first week when the baby lies on its one side. Upper half will turn to pale, lower half will turn to deep red. This is because of immature vascular tone. It will be seen only in the first week. If it persists more than 4 weeks, then it is a sign of cardiovascular anomaly. Erythema neonatorum. Erythema means redness. Why redness will come? Because of generalized hyperemia appear few hours after birth. At birth, baby will be normal. Then this redness may develop and fades spontaneously in 1 to 2 days. Neonatal occipital alopecia appears at birth or in 2 months. Within 2 months, occipital hair will shed off and then it will regrow. No problem. It is just a physiological change. All these changes I have arranged simply to remember easily. If you just know what is vernix caseosa, that's enough. From this C, you can derive cutis marmorata. From M, miniature puberty. From P, peripheral cyanosis, physiological scaling. From S, sucking blisters, sebaceous gland hypertrophy. From hypertrophy H, hair shedding, harlequin color change. Another color change, that is red color, called erythema neonatorum. From this neonatorum, neonatal occipital alopecia. Remember the channel name. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hasta la vista. До свидания.